Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus at sign. So this is the January mid-month reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see your messages and what's going on. Taurus, what are the messages for Taurus? What are the messages for Taurus? Under the deck, the tower moment. I think right now you are going through some tower moment, Taurus. Yeah, maybe your person, energy could be vice versa, but I think it's you. Maybe you're suffering in silence. Maybe there is separation between you and your person. Yeah, it causing you so much pain and undergoing some tower moment. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Queen of Wands, Nine of Wands, and the Moon. I think maybe you stand by your power and you guard up. Yeah, because there are some secrets hidden in this connection. Maybe your person hiding something from you. You came to about recently. That's why you guard it up and you stand by your power. Even though you have feelings for your person, definitely you guard it up. Okay, you are not available to them. That's why you stand by your power. You are avoiding them, what I'm seeing here, because they did something wrong to you. The moon is here. Definitely there are some illusions or misunderstandings between both of you guys. So right now what is going between you and your person? Five of Cups, Ace of Cups, and the Strength. Yeah, you are doing self-love. You are investing your energy on yourself. Yeah, even though you are feeling sad for the separation, but you overcome that pain. You overcome the tower moment, and now you become like this, Taurus. Yeah. This could be your person also. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. So the person involved in this connection could be Leo also. Definitely you stand by your power. You are very grounded now. But in near future, someone new is coming in your way. New love, new soulmate. Maybe this could be your soulmate. Two of Cups is here. Yeah. For some, it could be your past person also. Coming back to offer equal give and take. Six of Pentacles. Maybe for some, a new person coming towards you. They are very interested in you. They want to treat you equally. Okay. And Seven of Pentacles. Maybe you want to invest in this connection. For some, if this is past person, you already invested for this connection and waiting for your person to come back. Yeah. For some, it is your past person. For some, it is your new person. Take what resonate and leave the rest. And in money wise also, you are doing financial management right now. There's Six of Pentacles. You are distributing your amount in different businesses and you are investing your amount. But you are balancing your finances also. So for some, the new love is coming in your life. For some, your past person. But no matter what, your person is with you or not, but you stand by your power. You are doing self-love. You are investing energy on yourself, Taurus. Yeah. You have started something new in your career and you are making more money. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Six of Cups under the deck. Yeah, your person want reconciliation with you. Because this is about your person. So let's see your person current feelings first. Then we will see their actions. So first we will see their feelings towards you. Leo. I think one person in this connection could be Leo also. Yeah, under the deck, Two of Pentacles. Maybe in past your person juggled between things, between you and their career, between you and the other person. Definitely there is some juggling. But now they want to express their feelings. Now they're gaining the strength to come towards you. Ten of Pentacles. They really want to offer stability. For some, your person right now working towards their career and goals is also for some. But what I'm getting here, they want to express their feelings because Four of Pentacles in straight. Yeah, Their feelings about you, they want to offer stability and they want to express their feelings. And the strength card, they're getting all strength to come back towards you. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Taurus. Wow, you both are soulmates. Yeah, strong spiritual bond between both of you, because 2 times 2 of cups, I think it is could be your past person for some. Definitely they're feeling that you are soulmate. And 3 of cups, they want reconciliation, and your person is very abundant already. They are financially stable. Okay, for some, your person still they're working towards their finances and careers. They want reconciliation with you. They want to balance both the things, their career and you. They don't want to leave you. Okay, for career, for anything, because you are their soulmate. Definitely there is strong soulmate connection between both of you, strong spiritual connection. And 3 of cups, they want reconciliation if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to marry you, some marriage proposals. Because under the deck, the sun, maybe for some you both have, maybe one person in this connection have children also. Maybe you both are married, already have kids. Yeah, but they're really thinking about you positive and they want reconciliation if you are in separation. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Leo. Yeah. 9 of cups under the deck. Wish fulfillment. Definitely their wishes are going to be granted, because 9 of cups is a wish fulfillment card. They really want to work on this relationship. They want to fix the things between both of you. 5 of swords. Yeah. They accepted that there are some disturbances between both of you, but still they want you back. Still they want to work on this relationship. Taurus. 3 of Pentacles. Partnership. They want partnership with you. See, 10 of Cups. They want collaboration with you. The World. Yeah. 10 of Swords. Maybe you are feeling like this. You don't know which decision you have to make, because you are also at some crossroads. But you still, I think for some, your internal dialogue is still you want some rebirth in this connection. Yeah, you also want this happiness with you. You also want reconciliation. The World with 10 of Cups is reconciliation. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Yeah, there are some misunderstandings, but what I'm seeing here, there is reconciliation if you're in separation. If you're not in separation, this is going to be next level. I think marriage proposals. If you are in relationship, there will be marriage is coming in your way. Yeah, because 10 of Cups is the family card. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your overall energy. Taurus. Separation. 5 of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles, long-term commitment coming in. Yeah, you are also stuck on your person and thinking about them a lot. Yeah, they're coming back with solid offer. This is your soulmate. Yeah, this is your soulmate, Taurus. They're coming back with love. For some very few, could be your new person. But I think there is a reconciliation coming in your way, because cold shouldering, separation between both of you. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person overall energy. Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, 8 of Swords and King of Pentacles. Yeah, I think you both are stuck on each other. They are also stuck sometimes when they're feeling about you. Definitely they are coming back. And the King of Pentacles, they really want to offer stability to this connection. And Queen of Swords, communication. They want to express their true feelings to you. And Queen of Pentacles and Queen of Swords. Yeah, they want to share their life with you, because Queen of Pentacles is sharing energy. This person is very caring energy. So I think they are feeling that you are very caring and giving person. So the one person who always caring, giving in this connection is you, Taurus. That's why your person feeling this energy. So now they want you offer long-term commitment, because King of Pentacles is here. yeah, communication. They will give clarity to you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Taurus, what are the messages? Don't let pride get in your way. So if they're coming back, they really change for you and they really want to work on this relationship. Don't let pride get in your way. Don't show your ego. Don't show your pride. Maybe that cause so many problems in your relationship or in your career also. This is the alert from universe, because don't let pride get in your way. Okay, be grounded and be grateful for whatever you have in your life. So this is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.